हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज़ फोनी शर्मा। सो गाइस, आज हम लोग एक वीडियो लेके आ रहे हैं जिसमें एक लड़का अपने लाइफ में कुछ बनना चाहता था, लेकिन उसका फैमिली उसको जॉब करने के लिए बोल रहा था, लेकिन वो जॉब नहीं करना चाहता था क्योंकि उसका सपना कुछ और था। चलिए देखते हैं आगे कि वो अपने सपने को पूरा कर पाता है या नहीं।
Okay, Mr. Verma. He will come to you. Okay, bye. Catch you later. Rajiv,
यस भैया।
come here. This is Mr. Verma card. You have to go to his office for interview.
इंटरव्यू?
Don't worry. It will be just a formality. He is my best friend, so I have talked to him. Okay, you have to go there.
ओके भैया।
Why didn't you go to Mr. Verma office? I am asking you something. Why didn't you go to his office?
Because I don't want to do a job.
Don't want to do a job. If you don't want to do a job, so what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become.
What? What do you want to become?
I want to become.
What do you want to become in your life? I'm asking you something for good sakes. Speak up.
I want to become an actor.
What? An actor? Have you gone mad? You want to become an actor? Becoming an actor is not a piece of cake. On the contrary, it's a hard nut to crack. Do you have any idea? Thousands of people go to in Mumbai every day in order to become an actor. But what is the reality is, they end up either becoming a taxi driver or working a waiter.
But भैया,
I don't want any argument. You will have to do a job and that's final.
I'm not your slave. I'm not your slave. I'm not your slave. Don't try to be my father. You are just my elder brother. 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 You are just my elder. You are just my. You are just my elder. You are just my elder brother.
Hey, Pony, how much will you drink? Stop it.
Yeah. Do you know? I don't love my brother. He was 10 years old when our parents passed away. I bought him a pie in order to educate him. I stopped my studies. I worked around the clock so that my brother can be settled. Now he is grown up and he is saying that you are my just elder brother. He thinks that I don't love him. He was saying that I am not your slave. Yeah, I'm totally settled. I'm totally settled.
Everything will be fine. Don't worry.
Audition. I have come here for audition.
Okay, come inside. See, we are taking audition for a web series, and the character which you have to play has misbehaved with his elder brother. Now, the character has realized that whatever he did was absolutely wrong. Now the character has to go back to his elder brother and talk. So, want to see that emotional, and the character should be in Hindi. Okay?
Okay sir.
So your time start now.
I'm sorry भैया, I'm really sorry. मैं तो आपसे माफ़ी मांगने की भी लायक नहीं हूँ। मैंने आपका बहुत दिल दुखाया है, बहुत दिल दुखाया है। मैं कैसे भूल गया कि आपने मुझे भाई की तरह नहीं बल्कि बेटे की तरह पाला है। मुझे एहसास है भैया, आपने मेरी खातिर आपने पढ़ाई नहीं की, मुझे पढ़ाया। आप हमेशा चाहते थे कि मैं लाइफ में कुछ करूं, मैं कुछ बनूं और आपका नाम रोशन करूं। मैं करूंगा ना भैया, मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए, मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए। मैं भटक गया था, मुझे एहसास है भैया, आप ही मेरी सब कुछ है, आप ही मेरी सब कुछ है। मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए ना भैया, मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए, माफ़ कर दीजिए। नाराज मत हुई ना भैया, प्लीज़ प्लीज़ मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए, प्लीज़।
Amazing, spectacular performance. You are the one I was looking for.
Thank you sir, thank you so much sir.
You are really very talented. You are selected from tomorrow. Some of the documents as like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and within a week, and you will have to go to Mumbai for the shoot. So now get ready to fly.
Thank you sir, thank you. Hello, Bhabhi. I was just about to call you. I'm very happy today, Bhabhi. I'm very happy. You will not believe what happened. Bhabhi, I got selected for a web series. Today I'm very happy. Yeah, Bhabhi. Yeah, I'm coming to house. Yeah, I'm coming. Nah. Bhabhi. Bhaiya. I'm sorry, Bhaiya. I'm sorry for the way I behaved with you. Bhaiya, I got selected for a web series. It was my dream, Bhaiya. It was my dream. And today, my dream has come true. I know, Bhaiya. I really hurt a lot you. I'm sorry, Bhaiya. I'm sorry for what I did. But Bhaiya, I can't do any job because acting is my dream. And you know, Bhaiya, they will pay me 50,000 rupees for this, and the shooting will be done in Mumbai. Tomorrow I have to go with my documents. Within a week, I will go to Mumbai, Bhaiya. It was my dream, Bhaiya. I'm sorry, Bhaiya. I'm sorry. I really misbehaved with you. I'm sorry, Bhaiya. I'm sorry.
If you don't stop crying, so I slapped you. You are an apple, my eyes. So guys, आपने देखा कि वो लड़का कैसे अपने सपनों को पूरा किया। वो बनना चाहता था एक्टर, वो बना भी, क्योंकि उस फील्ड में उसको नॉलेज था और उस फील्ड में उसका जुनून था, इच्छा था, तो जाके बना। तो मैं हर एक मेरे युवा साथियों को मैं इसी वीडियो के जरिए संदेश देना चाहता हूँ, अगर आप अपने लाइफ में कुछ करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप में कुछ एबिलिटी है तो आप खुद करें, दूसरे की बातों पे आके आप दूसरा कुछ ना करें। अगर आप में जो कला है वो आप अपनी कला के अपने हिसाब से करें। सो अगर मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट पे ज़रूर लिखें कि वीडियो कैसा लगा। थैंक यू।